cookies.
You like cookies? What kind of cookie? Chocolate chip?
That's it.
Is that a Grammy cookie?
A cookie.
Grammy cookie?
Oh, cookie. Cookie.
Are you going to take a bite? Does it taste good?
I think.
Hmm?
Funny. No. It's funny.
Careful, take little bites. Now look it, you got chocolate on your thumb. How are you going to get the chocolate off? Are you going to lick it? Is it a good cookie?
Daddy.
Tell Mama, say hi Mama, hi Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi Mama.
Hi, Mama.
Tell them I'm eating a cookie
A cookie.
at Grammy's.
Hi, Daddy.
Can you tell everybody I love you? Do you love everybody?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We love you.
Baby.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah? You only got a cookie because you ate your dinner. You had macaroni and cheese and strawberries and bananas. Yeah, you still got strawberries, don't ya?
Banana.
Yep, and cheese.
Cheese.
You gonna eat a bite of cheese? Good for you, it'll make you grow.
No.
Mm-hmm.
No.
You wanna grow to be a big girl? Hmm?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, you're a pretty big girl. Cheese and cookie. What a combination.
Papa. Is here.
Just talking to you, Papa.
Hi, Haley.
Grandma. Cookie.
Say hi, Aunt Jenny.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandpa.
Hi, Papa. Hi, Mama.
Hi, Brandy. Can you say hi, Aunt Brandy?
Hi, Daddy. Hi, Book.
Hi, Faith.
Hi, Book. Hi, Book. Hi, Book.
What about Faith?
Hi, Book.
How about Faith?
Hi, Book.
Hi, Faith.
Hi, Faith. Hi, Book.
Say hi, David.
Hi, David. Hi, Lady. Hi, Lady. Hi, Lady.
Hi, everybody.
Everybody.
Everybody. Tell them, say I'm at Papa's house.
Wow.
What are you doing?
Oh, boom.
You're eating?
I
What are you eating?
a papa.
What are you eating?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Huh?
You got something in your hand. What is it?
Shopping. Here. Apple. Apple.
Mm-hmm. Can you tell everybody I love you?
Bamboo.
I'm a good girl?
I do do. Mama. Mama.
Can you blow kisses? Blow kisses. Can you blow kisses? What are you doing? Are you playing with your drink? Say bye.
Bye. Bye. A finger.